How to use Microsoft To Do with OneNote. Are you looking for a way to streamline your study process? Combining Microsoft To Do with OneNote can help you manage your tasks and notes more effectively. Let's break down how to use these two tools together for better study time management. First, it is important to understand what each tool does. OneNote is primarily for taking notes, while Microsoft To Do is designed for managing tasks. To get the most out of both, you need to create tasks in OneNote that sync with Microsoft To Do. This means you will use the Outlook Tasks feature in OneNote instead of just tagging items. To start, open OneNote and navigate to the page where you want to create a task. Look for the Outlook Tasks option. This feature allows you to assign a task with a due date that links directly to your Outlook account. Once you create a task this way, it will sync with Outlook and show up in Microsoft To Do. Keep in mind that syncing may take a little time, so don't worry if the task does not appear immediately. Once it does appear in Microsoft To Do, you can manage it just like any other task. You can mark it as complete, update it, or even set reminders. Any changes you make will sync back to Outlook and OneNote, keeping everything up to date. For those who want an even smoother experience, consider using automation tools like Power Automate or third-party services such as Plexi. These tools can create workflows that automatically sync tasks between OneNote and Microsoft To Do. This means you can have real-time updates, making your study management even easier. Now let's talk about practical applications. While taking notes in OneNote, you can highlight important assignments or action items and mark them as Outlook tasks. This way, they will appear in your Microsoft To Do list, helping you keep track of deadlines without switching between apps. Using Microsoft To Do's features like due dates and reminders alongside OneNote's detailed notes allows you to plan and execute your study sessions effectively. If you are managing multiple subjects or notebooks in OneNote, syncing with Microsoft To Do through tools like Plexi can help consolidate all your study tasks in one place. In summary, to use Microsoft To Do with OneNote effectively, create Outlook tasks within OneNote to have them appear in Microsoft To Do after syncing. For enhanced productivity, consider automation tools to keep your tasks and notes synchronized, supporting better study time management.